We think it's one of the finest honeys in the world. Can't get any better than out of the rainforest. The northwest coast of Tasmania is known for some of the purest water and the cleanest air in the world. We have one of the most temperate climates in the world. We don't get severe colds, we don't get droughts. We're 40 or 50 kilometres away from any pollution or human habitation, so there's probably nowhere else in the world with the environment like we've got. The pristine forest, the rainfall, one of the prettiest places I've been in the world, and I've seen a fair part of it, but I always come back to Tasmania. On a normal year, we'll produce 100 plus tonne of honey. Varies from manuka to blackberry clover. The biggest source of our honey is Leatherwood, straight out of the Tarkine rainforest over the back from where we are now. Got a taste of its own, our Leatherwood honey. It's down-to-earth flavour, I guess. Got a full control program right from the building up of bees, our husbandry, right through to where we take off the honey, where it is shrink wrapped and brought home so it's nice and clean. From start to finish, we know where every jar comes from. This will be my 43rd season. I've travelled the world and I couldn't find anything better. We're just privileged to be able to produce some of the world's best honey here.